Dear friends, this is Government Postgraduate College, Samundri. Today I am here after a very long time, and as you know that there are holidays due to the coronavirus. Uh, but I have never seen such a beauty because all the times I've seen people plucking flowers, but you see colorful flowers. The beauty of nature is at peak. The nature has got the opportunity to come back to life as well due to the coronavirus. See, I've been working with my team on all these things. I'm especially thankful to my principal, Professor Dr. Imtiaz Hussain Budaich, Professor Muhammad Taslim Ashraf, and all the team that has worked here to beautify this college. See, everywhere you're finding the, the red roses.